So welcome back to my channel The Powerful Brains. My name is Sayyad Zara. Today we will be studying a concept of heat engine. Let me start with the definition. What is heat engine? Heat engine is a device by which a system is made to undergo a cyclic continuous process, and the result of which is a conversion of heat into useful work done. So let me draw the block diagram so that you can understand this. This is your hot reservoir. This is your heat engine. This is cold reservoir. The hot reservoir with temperature T1 and the cold reservoir with temperature T2. And this will be your useful work done W. The heat supplied will be given as Q1 and heat rejected will be given as Q2. So the working principle of heat engine is it takes hot reservoir, that is your source, and this is your sink. The heat energy it will take from hot reservoir with some amount of temperature T1 and convert into useful work done W. The useful work done W will be your electrical work done or useful mechanical work done. It depends upon the heat engine. There are different types of heat engine. We will take an example later. The Q2 is the heat rejected. The heat rejected in the surrounding. That means some amount of heat is utilized to perform useful work done. The remaining is rejected in the atmosphere. That means the heat engine cannot be 100% effective. That means your heat and efficiency of your thermal efficiency of your heat engine will not be 100%. That means some amount of energy will be rejected in the surrounding. The remaining you can use for mechanical work done. Now we will go for an example. There are many examples of heat engine: internal combustion engine, steam engine, and solar water heater, solar panels. These all are the types of examples you can say for heat engine which convert work done by using heat from the source. Let me draw the block diagram of an internal combustion engine. This is piston, this is inlet and exhaust valve. The oxygen, the air, the mixture of air and the fuel will be coming here, and you will have combustion here. That is, the substance mixture of air and fuel will be coming from the inlet valve, and you will find a combustion getting in this top dead center. The piston then is allowed to send back to bottom dead center so that it is converted, its mechanical energy you will utilize for vehicle. This is the basic block diagram of internal combustion engine. This whole system is a cyclic process. It is continuous process. So the substance is coming from inlet valve continuously, and the mechanical work you can find here. So this is the basic example of heat engine. Now we will go for the formula how you will calculate the thermal efficiency of a given heat engine in the exam if you have been asked. and the work done or heat supplied there are two formulas. The first one is thermal efficiency, that is N, that will be output by input into 100. What is your output here? Work done. You are getting work done as output, and input is your heat supplied into 100. This is your formula for thermal efficiency of an heat engine. The second is work done. Work done, W equals to heat supplied Q1 minus heat supplied Q2. By this you can find the work done, or in the exam if you have been asked for calculate the heat supplied Q1, by using this formula you can also find out the all remaining parameters. Now we will go for basic example of heat engine. If in the exam it will be asked to find the thermal efficiency, let us take an example that a heat engine receives heat supplied at the rate of Q1, that is equals to 1200 kilojoules per minute. Q2, that is heat supplied, we have to find out. Work done, that is W equals to 6.8 kilowatt. Okay, that is 6.8 kilojoules per second. Now you have to find thermal efficiency of the engine also. So we will use this data to calculate the thermal efficiency and heat rejected by the system to the surrounding. First, thermal efficiency equals to output by input, that is equals to 1200. You can also convert it into joules per second, that is by 60 equals to 20 kilojoules per second. So we will first find the thermal efficiency in percentage, that is equals to work done divided by heat supplied, that is Q1, that will be 6.8 divided by 20% into 100, which gives you 34%. This is the thermal efficiency of a given data of a heat engine. Now the second thing is heat rejected. Heat rejected, we have formula for work done, W equals to Q1 minus Q2. So by this you can convert, you have to find Q2, that is equals to Q2 equals to Q1 minus W plus W. What is the value for Q1? It is 20 kilojoules minus of W, that is 6.8, which gives you 13.2 kilojoules per second. This is your heat rejected in the surrounding. So I hope friends you have understood this. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, work hard.